everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dreaming of Disney 24/7. I hope you're okay. If you're new here, my name is Rachel. I like to vlog all things Disney. If you're not, then hello, as per normal. So today I've bought had a mystery box arrive this morning from Earmagination. So it's their park inspired box. It's their February one that she did, and it's got 3 items and 3 different small shops, which I'm very excited about because I love buying from small shops. So as I said, it's a parks edition, so there's 3 Walt Disney World themed items in here. So the first one is a obviously from Earmagination, some park themed ears. Secondly, there's a park print from Sunstate Creations, and a park inspired diffuser from Spoonful of Magic UK. So I'll link all their shops below, and let's see what we've got in the box. I've untaped it all just for ease. So let's have a look, see what we've got. I'm very excited by this. Oh, you can see it does have, I don't know if you can see it very well, it does advertise the 3 shops. So it's all come in some purple tissue paper. So let's have a look. Oh, right, okay. Oh, so I'll pick up the print first. So this is from the Sunstate Creations. Obviously they got a shop on Etsy. Oh my god, look at that. Get a closer look. You don't get any better than the Magic Kingdom castle, do you? So how beautiful is that? So I would definitely get in a frame to put that in. Oh, that is so lovely. And next, right, okay. So we've got a Spoonful of Magic diffuser. So, Pirate's Life for me. So that comes obviously with the scent, and there's some reeds here, and obviously it gives you a warning. Obviously you can't see that. Obviously some instructions on what you need to do with it or what don't do. So let's have a quick open, see what it smells like. Ooh, it's a decent size. Oh, that smells lovely. So no, you can't smell, you have to just take my word for it. So yeah. And a bit blurry. Pirate's Life for me. And then lastly, the pair of ears, which as you know, I'm a big ears fan. Oh, also, I've just noticed, there's a twirl. I'm sure Ollie will want to end up taking that. Her card. Again, I don't know. No, that's not picking up, is it? And there's some little bits of Disney confetti, which I'm all for. Okay, so the ears. Oh, these are so pretty. Right, okay, all wrapped up. Oh my god, so you can bubble wrap this hard to get up, would you? How nice are they? Look at those. So as you can see, they're Mickey shaped, Mickey bar ears. Obviously like the, see where they've been bitten, and obviously the stick for like the ice cream bar. And in the middle there is a little Mickey Mouse, a little black Mickey Mouse. Inside it's got, hold it the right way around so if you can read it, made with love, and that's coming out quite blurry. But they almost look like you could wear them both ways round. This is how the bow sat, so they are very pretty and very colourful, and I love things colourful. So for £25 I'm really pleased with the 3 things I got in my box. So obviously I've had these from Earmagination, the print from Sunstate Creations, and the park inspired diffuser from a Spoonful of Magic UK. So for £25 I've pretty got a good deal there. So I've looked into her next box as well for the March. It's a self-care box, and by the looks of it she has different obviously shops for every month. So I was wanting to see how I got on with this box before I bought another one. So after opening that, I think I'm going to make a purchase of the March box. So obviously when I do that and that comes off, so I'll vlog the same, and obviously then tag all the shops below who are part of that box. So yeah, for £25 I say absolute bargain, really pleased. So thank you for watching this vlog, really appreciate it. Please give it a good old thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Obviously subscribe to see what we've got coming up next. Press the notification bell to let you know when we've uploaded a vlog. We tend to obviously upload every Friday at 6 PM, and Sunday I'll sort of doing the shorts still at 6 PM as well. So yeah, check those out, and thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you for next week's vlog. So take care, bye.